Oh, it's been a while since I've been here. We got QnA. Long-awaited QnA. Before the video begins, I kind of want to do another giveaway with like metal yo-yos, but I want to do like a yo-yo contest on Instagram. So, the first thing you gotta do is go follow Tyler.yoyo so you can tag me in your posts and stuff like that. But I don't really know. I'll think about it more, see how to do it. I don't know. Kind of want to do that. Keep that in your mind. Also, how is your spring break going? I know there's a lot of people heading out. Just drop down below where you're going. If you're not going anywhere, that's kind of cool. I'm not going anywhere. Let's try and hit 15 likes on the video. You guys are awesome at liking it. And when I asked for 10, you got me like 12. So, but probably the best and worst moment on stage. Worst would probably be Illinois State's. Just the whole routine. And then the best would be at Ohio State's when I did a suicide green triangle.
Yeah! Nice!
Okay. Gavin Hubner says, "Will you sponsor me?" And Trevor Sharp says, "I'll be Tracer." That's kind of understandable. Okay, my favorite. Nathan Smith says, "What has been your favorite competition and what has been your favorite yo-yoing moment?" Probably my favorite yo-yoing moment was when I hit the 2.0 hook. Never gonna happen again, but I hit it. And my favorite competition is probably, I don't know, nationals. You meet a ton of people and everyone you know from Instagram and yo-yoing is there. But Ohio State's was a lot of fun for me. So I'd say nationals or Ohio State's. Worlds is coming up, I'm going to that too. That's cool, in Cincinnati. My favorite yo-yo is the ND. It's just a clean yo-yo. There's no rigid anything on it. It's like the perfect shape, perfect weight. I just love the yo-yo. It's a great yo-yo. Actually, I have a cadence coming soon, so. Review. Blake Chan Spitapasser says, "What's your name?" My name is Tyler Wilson, and what? I don't even know what else to. That's my name. That's my name. That was kind of a short video. Thank you all for tuning in, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. And also, I'm very sorry for not posting.